Hey guys, just showing it to you my new LG refrigerator. It's got 4.5 star on it and it says 299 kilowatt per year. It's inverter, linear compressor, brand new. I just wanted to see how it perform on my off-grid solar because what I have here is off-grid solar and this is inverter, and hope this is less consumption. And this is my off-grid. I'm just showing it to you my old fridge, how it perform on my solar. At the moment it's 9 watts. My internet is working there. So that's my off-grid system, and that's my fridge, and that's my old fridge. See, turn it on. And how loud is this thing, this fridge on? And we can go, it says 900 watts for 5 seconds and down to 100 watts, 145. That's how it consumes power. You just turn it on and see the LG how it perform on the power. As you can see, it's 9 watts. I switch it off the old fridge. I just plug this new fridge and see how it start up power. It says it's inverter, so let's say turn it on. 182 watts when you turn on, no spike, and it down to 10 watts, 12 watts. Let's see if it's, as you can hear, slowly the compressor is kicking in, and it should increase the watts, and it's very less noise. Oh, cool. LED. It says 18 degrees. I haven't set it up just to show it to you how much this consumption. It says all the spec here. Pretty cool. Nice and bright. It's the freezer, and at the moment it's revving up to 30 watts, 40 watts. Nice and quiet. Nice. And that's all you can hear from this fridge. And thanks for watching.